Yo guys, welcome to another video. If you want to learn how to make something tattoo like this, or you have something tattoo, old tattoo like this, I show you how to make and how to fix it nice. Watch full, that's important point, have inside the full video. So guys, for this color spectrum, you need to play by inch, and which color you want, you fix it. You want light or dark, you can fix it like this. But little bit add more yellow or red for which you want, because it's going to dark or light. And if you want to learn how to make whole thing tattoo, I put here. I try to put up or and the screen. You can see. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. We will grow up together. Have a good day. Good time.